Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching our video. As you can see, we want to break our coconut. Okay, I want to show you one of the method easy way to break the coconut. So first I'm going to two is okay, I'm going to turn on the fire. So beautiful people, as you could see, our coconut is naturally cracking because of the heat. You can see it's cracking. So it will soon be ready. So it's ready. It's still hot. Let's wait for some minutes for it to get cold. Then we'll proceed. Please, if you're just seeing us for the first time, kindly like, share, comment, turn up that post notification bell so that whenever we post an interesting video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching. So this is 5 minutes later. Ooh, it's still hot. You can see. It's still hot. Let's wait 5 minutes more. So this is another 5 minutes later. can see these parts. It's best to allow it to cool down. Okay, that is how it is. This is our coconut. Very easy to remove. Okay, you can see. So our coconut is time to wash. So beautiful people, as you can see, this is our fresh coconut, the one that has not gone through it. Okay, this one is not as easy to remove like this, but this one is so easy. As you can see, you know, it has gone through, so it's just left for us to wash it up and use it for our prepared coconut oil. So we want to use it to prepare coconut oil. In case you have not watched our cold pressed virgin coconut oil, the video is on our YouTube channel. We have also done coconut oil. Okay, how we prepared it is on our YouTube channel. So this video is how to remove coconuts, because there are various ways to remove it. So this is just one of them, using the heat method. So thank you very much for watching. As you can see, we have removed our coconut. Very easy. So we'll be washing it and preparing it for coconut oil. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Mwah.